What is up, guys? Collector19 here, and today I have here my very first Voltes 5 figure. So, here we go. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a while since my last video. I kind of took a short hiatus. Hindi ko rin sure kung kailan babalik yung drive ko mag-video. But I recorded a video today. Ano ba ngayon? February 3rd. Since it's a special day for me. Since I got a special package and a special figure. Sabi ko nga sa intro, this is my very first Voltes 5 figure. Well, outside of the Funko series or Funko line, kasi may Funko Pop ako ni Voltes 5. Pero other than that, wala na ako ibang Voltes 5 figures. Ito, may t-shirt ako. What else? Wala na. Mug ata. Or di ata Voltes 5 yun. Pero ayun, a quick backstory lang. Since hindi lang ako ang fan ng Voltes 5, dito sa bahay, hindi, as a whole family, fan kami ni Voltes 5. Parents ko, tito ko, tita ko, mga lumaki nanonood ng Voltes 5. And napasa na nila sa amin yung, like, kinalakihan nila. So, right off the bat, mapanood ko Voltes 5, tuwan-tuwa ako. Hanggang ngayon, excited pa rin ako pag napapanood ko yung Volt in sequence nila. Plus, it's a big bonus na nakakuha tayo ng Voltes 5 Legacy series sa GMA 7. Growing up, hindi lang ako kundi pati magulang ko, they wanted to get a Voltes 5 figure, but sa presyo nila nung panahon ngayon at yung presyo din ng Voltes 5 figures ngayon, napakamahal, so we weren't able to get some in the past. Lalo na yung mga naunang SOC, lalo na yung Soul of Chogokin na DX or Deluxe sa Voltes 5 na release noong 2020, if I'm not mistaken, nasa 50 to 70,000 na yun. So it's really not impossible, pero we tend to allocate our finances or our budget do sa mga kaya lang namin. Pero nag-release or nag-announce last year si Bandai Namco ng eto nga, Shokugan Modeling Project. So if you're not familiar with Shokugan Modeling Project, nag-release na rin sila in the previous years, previous months ng versions nila. Well, kung ano lang yung mga napanood ko before, yung Power Rangers Wild Force. Di ko lang alam kung meron pang ibang Power Rangers na series. Definitely siguro meron, pero yung mga pinanood ko talaga before is yung Wild Force, or Gao Rangers in Japan. And yun, gumawa sila ng series for Voltes 5 and Combattler V ata. Hindi ko sure kung ilabas na si Combattler V or kasunod siya ni Voltes 5. And for sure, in the next few months or next few years, si Daimos naman, Tosho Daimos. So, hindi na ako nagdalawang isip. Well, nagdalawang isip ako in the first place kasi medyo pricey siya. Outside na siya ng regular budget ko, usual budget ko for figures. Pero, naisip ko na rin na ito siguro yung closest figure na magkakaroon ako. At the same time, yung parents ko, fulfilling our dreams, getting a Voltes 5 figure. And, ayun, na may enjoy namin, mabavolt din namin, and well, ako lang naman mag-enjoy magbuo nito kasi wala magtsatsaga magbuo ng model kit. And yeah, yun, na-mention ko na nga, na model kit siya. So, ito yung packaging niya, guys. Ayan, Bandai Namco, Shokugan Modeling Project. Ito yung si Voltes 5. Yung box design niya, napaka-reminiscent ng unang Soul of Chogokin plus yung Deluxe Soul of Chogokin Voltes 5. Ayan yung mga Volt machines. We have Cruiser, Bomber, Panzer, Frigate, and the Lander plus the Voltes 5 logo here. So, napakaganda nung design niya. Masyado ako natuwa. And I cannot wait para buuin to. Ito yung side niya. Yes guys, nakikita nyo yan. Tama. Tank mode ni Voltes 5 na na-feature lang sa manga and sa Voltes 5 Legacy, pero sa anime hindi nila pinakita. It's a very nerdgasm episode or scene yung nasa Voltes 5 Legacy na yon nung napanood ko to. Kasi hindi nila finisher sa anime eh. And it's really nice na ginawa nila para sa figure na to yung Volt or yung tank mode. On the back, we can see here, ayan, ito si Voltes 5 doing the iconic V-pose. And don't worry guys, magagawa rin niya yung nakaganon. Ito, yung ganitong pose. Ayan, yung ganito. Ito yung Gatling. Ito yung Gatling missiles. Ito yung Voltes Bazooka, Tenkuken. Ito yung dalawang extra na kasama din ng package na to. Si Octo 1, tsaka yung Mechanical Eagle, plus yung tops, tsaka yung whips. Very good looking pose right there. Tsaka pwede mo ikabit sa likod yung Mechanical Eagle that's piloted by Dr. Watson. So ayun guys, siguro ipakita ko like briefly yung laman ng box na to sa next clip hopefully. Again, inuulit ko February 3 ko i-video to, and i-mention ko din in the next clip kung kailan ko natapos, because I'm damn sure na hindi ko matatapos to sa isang upuan. Abutin ako probably weeks. Kung ito ang EV na play mo, hindi ko, ayun, kita siya. Inabot ako dyan, although 30 minutes fair na yon, pero for a figure na ganyang kaliit tsaka ganyang kasimple, ang tagal ng 30 minutes in my opinion. So again, in the next clip, babanggitin ko gaano katagal inabot or anong date nung matapos kong buuin yung figures. So ipapakita ko yung laman, siguro a brief assembly, pero going forward papakita ko sa inyo kung paano i-vault in, kung paano ikabit yung mga extra hands, extra accessories, tsaka yung mga weapons. So without further ado, let us get unboxing. Okay guys, tapos na yung Volt Bomber. Nalobat kasi ako so hindi ko napakita yung buong process. Well, naka-speed up naman. Pero ito yung Volt Bomber. Inabot ako mahigit 1.5 oras dito lang. Ang sakit sa kamay. Pero ayan, let's proceed to Panzer. Okay guys, so tapos na natin yung Volt machines. We have Cruiser, Bomber, Panzer, Frigate, and Lander. So hindi ko na na-cover lahat ng assembly videos nila since nalobat yung phone ko, yung power bank, tsaka medyo sumakit na yung kamay ko, so parang nagpahinga muna ako ng konti. Hindi ko rin na video na ayos. Pero so far happy naman ako sa nagawa ko and sa output. Medyo masakit nga lang talaga sa kamay. For me, ang pinakamahirap buuin is yung Bomber, yung Frigate. Ito medyo, pero okay rin naman. Pero yung 1 at 5, madali lang. And ginawa ko na rin kagabi yung Tenkuken, laser sword, tsaka yung another set of hands. Ayan. Bali, ang gagawin nating sunod is yung other set of accessories and weapons, yung mga voltage bazooka, ultra electromagnetic top and whips, and so on. Kasama na rin siguro si Octo-1 tsaka yung mechanical eagle. So without further ado, let us get into the assembly of the other parts. Ito na ata yung pinakamaliit na part ng figure. Ayan lang siya sa gitna. Hindi ko alam kung ano or kung ano ba talaga to. Pero ayun, siya yung pinakamaliit. T1, which is states na dito sa Falcon. Or, yeah. Millennium Falcon. Millennium Falcon. Sa, ano, Mechanical Eagle pala. Sorry. Okay guys, ito na yung binuo natin very recently. So ito yung 2 sets of hands. Isang for Voltes 5 pose, isa yung closed fist na hindi siya yung sword holding. We have the Gatling missiles Ayan. We have the Voltes Bazooka. We have the Ultra Electromagnetic Tops, Ultra Electromagnetic Whips, Mechanical Eagle, and of course, paborito na lahat, si Octo One. Next up is, lagyan ko muna siguro ng sticker si Voltes 5, then we'll proceed to the Volt In sequence. Hopefully, maayos ang pagkaka-Volt In ko. Also, may part din pala to. Ito yung sa Volt machine ni Jamie. Imbes na yung parang filter exhaust yung nasa harapan ng Volt machine niya, ito yung ipapalit niya, parang drills. So, ayan. So, I think ito na ata lahat ng accessories and parts na kasama sa V-Together set nitong Shokugan Modeling Project Voltes 5. We have Cruiser, Bomber, Panzer, Frigate, and the Volt Lander. Also pala, if iniisip nyo kung gaano katagal binuo to, so itong Volt machines, nagsimula ako 5 PM, natapos ako 2 AM. Well, meron kasi in between na breaks. Pero yung first 3, like Cruiser, Bomber, and Panzer, ginawa ko from 5 to 7:30 PM. Tapos si Frigate tsaka si Lander from 11 PM to 2 AM. So, ayun. Medyo matagal, lalo na kung baguhan ka lang. Masakit din sa kamay. So, if interested kayo bumili ng ganitong figure or ganitong set, macha-challenge kayo sa pagbubuo. Ito namang mga yan, yung mga accessories plus itong si Mechanical Eagle. Inabot ako dyan mga, I guess, 2 hours. So, ayun. So, ngayon naman, doon na tayo sa exciting part ng video na to, which is yung i-Volt In ang Volt machines and going forward. Hindi ko sure kung ipapakita ko pa sa inyo kung paano magpalit ng weapons, pero papakita ko sa inyo sa mga B-roll shots yung iba't ibang itsura ni Voltes 5, and I will try my best na gawin yung yung tank mode ni Voltes 5. So, ayan guys, let's Volt In. So guys, ito na si Voltes 5. Napakangas. And I think this one is 7 to 8 inches tall. So sulit yung pagbili niya sa figure na to kasi medyo bulky siya, medyo hindi man sobrang bigat, pero matangkad yung figure. So I'm really happy and I'm excited to have this one for the collection since like I said, ito yung pinakauna kong Voltes 5 figure. And maganda pa yung features niya, marami siyang kasamang kung ano-ano na accessories, and panalong-panalo talaga. Kung nag-pre-order kayo nito, bumili kayo, sulit na sulit to. So ayan guys, yung kanyang iconic Voltes 5 pose. Marami pa rin magagawa. Actually, ma-dynamic ang ano nito, ang articulation. Pwede kang makapag-dynamic poses, mga fighting pose, yung mga dala-dala yung weapons niya, and a lot of cool stuff. So, ito yung likod. Kuwang-kuha paano yung sa itsura niya sa anime. Ang galing nung pagkaka-engineer sa figure na to. So, ayan. So, pakita ko naman sa inyo guys is yung itsura ng mga weapons niya na nakasuot kay Voltes 5. And ita-timelapse ko lang siya kung paano ilagay yung Voltes bazooka, yung mga Gatling missiles, and siguro yung iba't iba pang weapons niya. And after that, siguro closing na and B-roll shots of the figure. So, let's go. So that is it guys for the review of the Shokugan modeling project Voltes 5, the V Together set. And final thoughts, ang awesome niya. Ang daming accessories, ang ganda ng articulation niya, and I like every detail of it. Nag-enjoy din ako sa pagbibuild kahit masakit sa kamay, pero all in all, worth it naman yung effort and worth it naman yung pagbubuo kasi ganito yung makukuha niyong product. So again guys, thank you so much for watching this video. So if you're interested in copying one of these figures, ito or yung standard version man, do check out Matt's Toy Box. Doon ko nakuha to, pre-order siya last year and dumating siya early February. And natapos ko siya ngayong February 25th. So 22 days. Feb 3 ko kasi ata siya nakuha. So ayan guys, so if you're interested in copying the figure, do check out Matt's Toy Box. And thank you so much Matt's Toy Box for this awesome Voltes 5 figure. That is it guys for another figure review in the channel. Also, if you have enjoyed the review, smash that like button and hit that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. I post videos on Wednesdays and on Saturdays, or better yet, hit that notification bell so you'll always get notified every time I make an upload. Also, you can check me out in my social media accounts. All of the links are linked in the description below. So once again guys, this has been The Collector and this has been Voltes 5. Thanks for watching, let's collect, and I'll see you in the next video.